Today, we're having our very first Peachybbies art slime competition. I'm joined by David, Scarlet, Jacqueline, and Anna, and they're all gonna have the opportunity to showcase their artistic abilities through slime. The winner of this competition gets to take home their very own slime pool. Plus, I hid $500 in the slime pool, and the loser gets slimed. For this competition, I need you guys to reach into this bucket of slime, pick out a piece of paper, and whatever the prompt is, that's what you have to create out of your slime. David, you can go first. A frog! Scarlet?
If I get something bad, I'm gonna be really upset. Ugh, dolphin.
You hate dolphins?
Yes.
You just farted out of the top of your head.
Jacqueline! Ew! Airplane! Anna!
Spaceship!
Spaceship. Now that everybody has their prompts, it's time for them to get their supplies. All of your supplies right now is hidden in the warehouse in 4 different boxes. You guys have to go out into the warehouse, find it, and whoever brings it back first gets an advantage in the slime competition. You ready?
Ready.
Okay, go.
I have a feeling that it's in the arcade.
I think we're looking for something that has balloons on it.
Well, honestly, I don't think I need an advantage in this competition.
Where's David going? I'm gonna follow David.
Hopefully, it will be pretty obvious.
You want a hint?
Yeah.
He's cheating. He's cheating.
It's somewhere.
In this warehouse?
I found it, guys. All right. Hopefully we're the first one.
Oh, I found it! No!
Cheater!
She stole it.
Look at her go.
Secured the bag. I secretly let Scarlet win because she's a bully.
It's heavy.
Found one. There it is.
We're back from the mini challenge. Now I want all of you to open up your boxes and see what's inside. Everything that's in here you have to use.
Why is there a pickle?
Before we start, Anna brought back her box first, so she gets the advantage. Your advantage is that you can pick one thing out of your box that you don't have to use in your art.
Honestly, like, I was very confused about the pickle, but I kind of want to use it.
Okay.
I'll get rid of the green.
Instead of the pickle?
Yeah.
You sure about that one?
Yeah, I want to use the pickle.
Okay. All right, are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. David, you got the frog and the hot sauce. You know what your inspiration's gonna be for your beautiful piece?
You're the one who gave me the idea.
I didn't write those, actually. You got dolphin and beans. Do you know how you're gonna incorporate those two together?
Since I'm not the biggest fan of baked beans, and I'm also not the biggest fan of dolphins, I think I'm just gonna make something that's kind of an abstract painting.
I like that. That's creative. Jacqueline, you got an airplane and sardines. Do you know how you're gonna mix those two together?
I'm gonna make the sardines airplanes.
I'm excited to see that. Anna, so you got a spaceship and a pickle. How are you gonna do that?
This pickle, to me, looks like an alien. We're gonna make the night sky a motherboard, and then this pickle will represent the traveler.
Cool. Excited to see that.
Hey, no sabotaging. Hey, get out of here, David.
Get out of here!
Hey, stop. This is very serious business. You guys need to take this way more seriously. Scarlet, clean yourself up.
Do you guys believe in aliens?
I do.
Me too.
We now have our second challenge of the day. You need to roll this wheel. If you get a 1, that means you get an advantage, but if you get a 2, that means you get a disadvantage. You got an advantage! Scarlet, pick one of these 2 advantages and that will be what you get.
I'm getting a really good vibe from this one right here.
Okay, read it.
Add anything you want. I know exactly what I want. It's like a bath foamy thing and it like makes foamy swirls. I need that.
Okay, go get it. You got a disadvantage.
Of course.
Pick one of these 2 and this is your disadvantage.
I'm gonna go with this one. Add a second prompt.
You have to grab the last bit of paper out of our slime bucket and whatever it says on there, you have to add that concept into your painting.
No way! I love pizza.
This is supposed to be a disadvantage, but she seems to be really happy about it. All right, Anna, are you ready?
I'm ready.
You got a 2, that is a disadvantage. Here you go.
Blindfolded for 10 minutes?
Go, put this over your eyes fully.
Sorry, Anna. Good look.
Okay, David, it is your turn. Go ahead and spin. you get an advantage. You are getting an extra 10 minutes.
Oh, I don't need this.
I do. I don't even know why I'm trying. Well, don't make it burst. Don't make it burst. Don't make it burst. Don't make it. No, David, no.
David.
What?
Please don't. I don't know, but I'm scared.
It's a margarita.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, everybody stop. Hands up. It's time for judging now.
It's the cycle of life and death. See right here, this mama frog.
Mama frog.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Scarlet, tell me a little bit about your painting.
Okay, so remember I said I don't really like baked beans, so I didn't particularly want to open the can. So instead of opening the can, I used the wrapper to make a starfish under the ocean and some corals down here. I used the foam to make the ocean waves that the dolphins are coming out of and to make the sky with the clouds. And on top of everything, I made a custom slime to go with it that I used to clean up my area. I have the cleanest area out of everyone.
I think it is super clear what it is. Objectively a good painting.
And it comes with a free slime.
Great job, Scarlet. Jacqueline, tell me a little bit about what's going on here.
The name of it is Pizza in the Sky with Sardine Planes.
That's really to the point. I like that.
Thank you. I started off strong with my airplane idea, but David destroyed it.
That wasn't me.
We saw you, David.
Actually, my disadvantage turned into an advantage because I got my favorite food of all time, pizza. Who doesn't love sardines on pizza?
That's really moving. I think it's really beautiful how you took something bad that was happening to you and you turned it into something so beautiful. And these little guys, look at them in the sky, living their dreams. It's definitely interactive with the smell that's going on here. I kind of feel a little lightheaded, but I think that's exciting and it's keeping me on my toes. I think you did a good job.
Thank
I like
you.
that. Tell me what's going on here, Anna.
This is called the pickle motherboard. The pickle motherboard is inspired by the sky, the clouds. He's over here like, eek.
It's a little lackluster. It could have used some more smells.
Oh, you just have to get close to the pickle. See, right here? It's really strong. It's just like,
I don't know, it just kind of smells like Burger King now, and I don't really like Burger King. I can't really follow what's going on, but you definitely went somewhere with it, and you used everything that you should, so I think it passes.
put a lot of effort into this.
Yeah, it shows. The final results are in. I have taken everything into consideration, and we have our winner. Third place is going to that by David.
What do you mean third place?
Third place, you got third place. Second place is going to Jacqueline.
Oh, yes.
This is a clear fourth place.
What?
Sorry, Anna.
That's clearly good. It's a pickle.
And in first place, we have Scarlet.
Yes. I am so excited for that slime pool.
That means that Scarlet is taking home a slime pool that also has $500 hidden in it, by the way. A slime pool and $500. Congratulations, Scarlet! Yay! All right, guys, it's time for Anna to get slimed. Anna, are you ready?
Yes.
Brace yourself. It's gonna be heavy. Woo! Oh no! Oh no! Are you okay?
What is going on? I feel hurt.